Ooh, hamburger. Or potato salad. Wait a second. Mom, I wanna eat お好み焼き。
いいよ。作ったら
What? 無理。Can you help me? Yay. Okay, now I'm ready. But what's the first step? Or what are the ingredients, Mom?
大きめのボウルを一つとまな板と包丁持ってきて。
There. Next,
キャベツ、
cabbage.
人参、
Tell me at once.
マッシュルーム、ネギ。
何ネギ?
カットチョップしてあるやつ。
No, like the bottom was stuck on the refrigerator.
スピナッチ入れるか。
Spinach.
お好み焼きのお好みは好きなものって意味だから何を入れてもいいの。お餅入れよう。
小麦粉。お小麦粉焼き。
あと卵。
How many?
パックごと出しな。
Open doesn't crack. Cheep.
長芋。
Thank you.
小口切りのネギにして次長切りにしてスピナッチやめてニラにしよう。
Okay. And she said we don't need this and spinach. Instead, we're gonna use these. I don't know how to call them in English. So, these.
そしたらまずキャベツを千切り。
Flip it over. Now we should be able to get it. Oh, there. That was easier. We finished cutting the cabbage. Mom said we can cut in any order. So next I'm gonna do mushroom. Remember. Oh, forgot the ball. これも千切り? Mushroom is soft, so it's easy to cut, Mom. Mom, can I do mochi next?
野菜を先にしようか。10本ぐらいかな。結構まとめていって大丈夫です。
ちょろっとこのぐらい。Next is this. How do we cut this whole big thing?
これなんか
Green onion. She cut it for me, so I'm just gonna put it in this bowl. I put everything in this bowl if I wash it. Put here. My eyes. Mommy, you can do the rest.
What's up, May?
My eyes. I teary. Flash.
縦に半分に切って斜めに。
So next is carrot. 1, 2, and 3. I think it'll be hard to cut. I'm gonna use it next time. I'll just use this. Just joking. Wow. Okay, so how should we cut it?
千切り。
Sangiri. Next is mochi. So about how many? I think we need at least 3. Oh, there's a
縦
line.
に半分にしてからこうスライスしよう。
Can I cut it, Mom? Mom?
Okay.
Is it hard for you, Mom? I like your nails.
Thank you.
So next is egg. So 4, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna crack it. What's next, Mom?
長芋をすりおろす。
Put it on here. So you make it alsoすりおろす。
気をつけてよ。
This is nagaimo yam. First of all, on these there's this pokey thing. Put it on. That's a really good sound. We're making okonomiyaki. Ooh, sounds good. I'm getting hungry.
これをこの大きなボウルに移す。
I guess everyone is laughing. I was about to trip again.
次にその粉を入れるんだけど、いつも使ってる
あれ
スクープわかる？気をつけてね。まずはいっぱいかな。あとは様子を見ながら混ぜながら入れていくから。
これをまずバサッてやっていい？
うん。
いや、あれがいいかも。Merry Okay. Now mix it up.
そう、ゆっくりね。最初やろうか。覚えちゃう。
I think the first customer that will eat it is Kana. Because she said she was really hungry.
ここでね、お水を入れてもいいんだけど、お水よりだし汁を入れる方がもっと美味しくなる。でも今だし汁がお家にないから代わりにめんつゆを、だいぶワーダーになってきたでしょ、したらこれだとまだ野菜と野菜がさパラパラでしょ、小麦粉を出す、いろんなとこにねパカパカパカパカってそうそう、めんつゆの匂い。
Mom, how is it?
あ、いいんじゃない？そしたらベーコンを使おう。
Bacon. So now do we cut the bacon?
手を洗って焼こう。
Let's get started! どのぐらい？
どうしようか。6ぐらいにしとこうか。
Okay. So now can I put the bacons onto the pan?
両面焼いてからこの生地乗せるから。
もういいかな？
いいよ。そしたらその上に生地を乗せる。
Okay. About this much? It looks like it's hard to flip. Maybe I made it too big.
動かした方がいいかな。
So can I flip it? The shape keeps breaking, Mom. OMG! So Dad just lifted up and then shaked it and then flipped it over. And it's perfect, better than doing it with this. It looks more neat. So are we soon going to put the lid on and make it fluffy? There's the lid. So now we make the heat smaller. About how much?
2.
And then put the heat up. So and then put this back here. So these are what I'm gonna put. First is sauce. So slippery out there. Okay. And then next is mayonnaise. Okay. I'm gonna use this butter knife. Last is katsuobushi. I put this on the tofu. So I am finished. So now I am going to eat it. It slipped off. いただきます。I got the mochi. It was so good. Next time, I want to try pancake or something.
Yeah, I want to make some too.
So, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.